Well, if rain on your wedding day means good luck, what does a blizzard mean? That's what one couple might be asking themselves. They tied the knot in Waterbury despite the storm.
It was stressful this morning, but now that I'm here, I think things are going to be okay.
And what do you think about this whole blizzard on the day of your wedding?
I'll always remember it.
Oh, a few tears. Instead of a limo, the bride was brought to the church in a Ford Expedition. No word on a honeymoon destination, but the couple says it will be somewhere warm. Good for them.
Good idea.
Luck.